Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. Today is going to be hands on for you. With the warm weather, we're getting more and more phone calls about, hey, I'm thinking about selling. I want to sell. I got to sell. Whatever the reason is, it's coming to the forefront right now. And so many people are calling, but the majority of them call with stress. They're overwhelmed. Here's what I mean. We want to sell. We need to sell. We got to sell. And then all of a sudden they look around their house and there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years of stuff everywhere. And I'm talking in every nook and cranny underneath, you name it, it's everywhere. So they get overwhelmed. They shut down. They said, never mind. We're just going to wait. Don't do that. Don't let your home, which has been your amazing home for all these years, be the reason why you don't take the next step in your life, the next part of your journey, whatever that may be. So I broke down a couple of things for you, and we do this a lot. We just did an estate sale. We have another one coming up. We have a garage sale for a house we're about to sell, and there's different verbiage and all that good stuff. But the point is that don't shut down. If anything, give us a call so we can talk to you about it. This is what we specialize in: estates, probates, and senior moves. And when I say senior moves, what I mean by that is individuals have been in their house for a long time that have so much stuff collected from their kids, from their grandkids, whatever it may be, and now they're overwhelmed. So here's what I'm going to do. I broke this down. So the issue is that they have a goal, but they're overwhelmed with the current condition of their home. We're not talking about maintenance stuff yet. We're just talking about thinning it out, getting it ready for the move. All right, number one, I want you to mentally break down your house into rooms. And I know you're saying, Mike, well, my house is all rooms. I understand that. But I want you to break it down this way. You might have one bedroom, three bedroom, four bedroom, whatever, bathrooms, garage, basement, sheds. I want you to break your house down mentally by those rooms. So when we start talking about cleaning out, decluttering, thinning out, whatever you want to call it, you focus on one room, not the house. You cannot focus on the house or you're going to get overwhelmed. You're going to shut down. We're going to focus on one room at a time. All right. And what I want you to do, I want you to pick the room that you use least. I was just in a house recently. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs. Only 2 are being used. So to me, the perfect room would be is the other 2. Start on those first because there's no use for nobody's using those. So there's no reason not to follow these steps. All right. So I want you to compartmentalize your house. Take a pad of paper, write down the rooms, write down which ones you're going to start first because I want you to visualize it right here so you don't get overwhelmed. Number 2, and also don't forget we can come out. So please don't forget that. We do this every single day. Number 2, I want you to know that you're going to break down each room into 4 piles. 4 piles. Now, I'm not saying literally piles, but 4 distinct areas in that room. So you walk into the room, the very first pile I want you to think about is the trash pile. I want you to understand that there's a lot of stuff in your house right now that's going to go to the trash. It's not personal. It's just the way it is. So I want you to enter that room and I want you to remove all of the trash first. Get some construction trash bags, get some trash cans, whatever. I want you to empty all the trash out of that room. Remember, we're focused on one room at a time. Then what I want you to do is focus on the giveaways. What are you going to give away? It could be to kids, to family, to friends, to neighbors, to whatever charity or whatever. So the second thing is that. The third item I want you to break down is the items you want to try to sell to make a couple dollars, make a couple dollars, help cover with the move. It could be done on marketplace. It could be done on a garage, whatever it may be. I want you to break that out. And the final one is what you're going to keep for the move. Items that you're going to physically pick up, put into a moving truck, and move it to your next destination. Those are the 4 piles. I do not want you to leave that room until you have those 4 piles. Don't leave the room. So we got the 4 piles. We started on the rooms that are the least used. and we got it broken down. So we got the broken down, we got all the rooms knocked out. Then what I want you to move to is the yard sale, the garage sale, yard sale, moving sale, estate sale, whatever you want to call it. They all mean the same thing. You have stuff you want to sell, and you hope somebody else wants to buy. What I want you to do now is let's go and host that yard sale, garage sale. If you need help with it, give us a call. We do a lot of them. Marketing's key, signage is key. But the most important part of one of these sales is your mental state. Here's what I mean. This phone paid $1,000 for. I've had it for 2 years, 3 years. I don't need it. It's zero use to me. And I'm like, man, that thing's in good shape. I'm gonna sell this sucker $500. Now, your goal at a yard sale or garage sale, whatever you want to call it, is to get rid of stuff. All right. I want you to get rid of it. Do not bring it back into your home or you failed. Get rid of it. So if you have an item listed for 100 and somebody offers you 50, you say, thank you very much. Do not take it back into your house. You're defeating the purpose of this. So that is what I want you to do. As the weather's getting warmer and maybe you're thinking about selling, but you're a little overwhelmed, give us a call. Give the Mike Benton, give Tina and I a call. We'll come out. We do this every single day for the last 27 years. Give us a call. We'd love to sit down with you and see what we can do to bring more value to you, to help you so you can experience the benefits. Hope that helps. Hope that makes sense. If you want it broken down, just give me a call, give me a text, give me an email, and we will do everything we can to help you out. God bless you. Have a great one.